Hi everyone, my name is Christine. I'm needle felting teacher. Today I'd like to give you a brief introduction of what's needle felting. Needle felting is a process originally developed for making industrial felt in the mid-19th century as part of Industrial Revolution in Germany and England. Only in the past few decades has needle felting gained recognition as kind of arts and craft. So how it works? We use needle, it's a bob needle, as a tool, and we use sheep wool. And this is a working surface. It's a foam. We put the fiber on top of the foam and use the bob needle to move it in and out. Gradually create firm and dense material. And we add color on top of the sheep wool to poke in to connect them together. You can sculpt the wool into any desired shape you like. You also connect the elements together by the needle. You don't need to glue it or sew it. You just use the needle, felting needle, to connect two elements together. I would say it's a lot of possibilities to create various projects, from cute creatures to realistic animals. You can make anything, like food, like accessories, decorations, ornaments, you name it. So you can achieve any kind of projects you like. It's lots of fun, very therapeutic. Once you start to poke it, you will love it.